Yours?
Yeah. Pretty fucked up.
Oh my god.
This is what happens when you buy a car sight unseen. The frame is collapsing already. This was opening. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That one I even didn't open.
Huh?
That one I even didn't open.
Yeah.
You have a lot of work to do here.
A lot of work. A lot of work.
How you can do that?
Huh?
How you it's possible?
I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it out. We're gonna have to figure this out.
Same thing.
Huh?
That nigga stopped flew off somewhere back in Oklahoma somewhere. That's what he
Yeah. The frame and frame and folded on the car.
On this?
Yeah. The windows the doors used to open. Look at.
Oh.
See the door? I pinched it now, so the frame is collapsing.
That's why you got the other part.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it wasn't. It was functioning before. The doors were functioning.
Yeah, this is ground zero right here.
Yeah, but it's fucked on fucked.
Huh?
It's like I told somebody else, I said this is a rebody move here.
Yeah.
And all these is here still? Okay.
This nigga shit won't come down.
Oh, field car's on. Told you to go tear up the car. Up and down, up and down. Put your foot on it. A little muscle into it. There you go. This is what happens when you get something. You pull it out the lake.
You buy it sight unseen.
Sight unseen, and you know it came out of somebody's creek or delta somewhere. This is what you gotta do.
Yeah. Out of three we bought, three different people, that's the best one.
See that? That's the running one.
The rest of them,
This, sight unseen. Let me catch the dirt and dust in there. Look at it. You know. You almost there? See can you twist it if it come off? There you go. Oh, I'm sorry, man. That one little piece want to hold on, baby. Yank that motherfucker, Rob. There you go. Woo!
yeah. The frame is shot white, far as I can see. You see the door pinches right here. So that means the frame is collapsing on both sides. My assessment, if I'm looking at this is a whole other car you gotta buy to fix this car. Buyers beware when you buy stuff without seeing it. This is what you're getting up with. So it's best I kind of knew about it, but I didn't know it was this bad. We'll figure it out. I'm in there, so it's like, when we said, do we go? I don't even know at this point, y'all. Got it in already? Is that car neutral? Stop. Yeah, it was. Hold on. Now I just fucked around. Down. Go ahead. Almost there. There you go. It's coming. That last clip. Oh. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Ready? Go. Now this was a mess up. I bought this without. Yeah.
Malibu.
I bought it without seeing it, really.
Huh?
I bought it without seeing the whole picture of what was going on.
You bought it without seeing it.
Without seeing the whole picture of what was
You
wrong
bought
with
it
it.
without what part of the picture you saw?
The front. I focused on the front.
What the fuck?
What made me buy the car?
What made you buy the car? Please tell me.
I had a vision.
Did they have a stripper on the pole on it? What the fuck?
I saw the front of it and I was thinking, ooh, 70 Chevelle.
Huh?
That's all I was thinking.
You were thinking you need to buy something that need help. That's what you were thinking? Motherfucking nigga, I need help. You could have bought me.
So pretty much it's the car is no good.
Pretty much.
Everything
This motherfucker, you gotta replace this.
Everything. It's everything.
This. Only thing you got is the VIN numbers, man.
I know that. I know.
Hey, you know they got some, so hey, I don't know, man.
Yeah, this is a rough one.
It's a 70 though.
Yeah. And so
it ain't as bad as it look.
Well, yeah.
I've seen worse.
So we on the hunt for the frame right now. And once I'm on the hunt for the frame right now. To buy a new frame. See the frame.
You ain't never lied.
Yeah, get the frame first. Huh?
There gotta be a convertible frame.
Oh. I bumped this up. Okay, so from there.
Watch out, Troy. Don't get scratched on this motherfucker. You need a tetanus shot.
Jaw lock up.
And so we're gonna start with we're gonna wait for the paperwork to come in the mail. It's coming. The paperwork. As soon as the paperwork get here, to be here Monday, and then
as soon as it get
Illinois.
How much you get this for?
This is a scenario of I've gotten too far in that I can choose. My man, Big Hen, he has all the parts to make this happen, y'all. Money's Car Australia could not do it. I know y'all think I'm a superhero and all, but I ain't gonna be able to do it this time, guys. So, my man I didn't get a chance to show y'all how bad it was, but it is what it is. It's going to a better place. We're gonna catch it, but when it come back, hey, I'm telling y'all, we're gonna document this.
6-cylinder for sale.
6-cylinder for sale. We out. Torsion. No, don't put it in park. Hey y'all, I told you I sold it to the right person. We didn't even look, y'all never saw all this. But when I saw all this, I know he had all this. Here's the frame, the chassis, all the convertible stuff. So he got it all. I ain't even gonna let y'all know that man got a warehouse full of them on the other side of the wall. Undisclosed location, Batman cave over here. We can't tell you where it at, but I'm letting y'all know my man got it. So I gotta, hey, I love you, boy, but you gotta go. Money's Car Stereo. Speakers, got some Pioneers, 6902s. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
95.
I'm gonna let you get them, man. I don't need those. I'm gonna let you go.
Fiber left.
Yeah. See, y'all didn't see that frame was shot. And literally, there was a Newport signed bag, two of them holding the seats together.
Custom floor pans.
Custom floor pans, one of a kind, Art Morrison style.
Got this in your front yard.
You could have, but I wouldn't.
wonder what sign that is.
I don't know. You have to get underneath to
Those
see
two is
it.
Newports. I wonder what that one is.
I don't know. Smoke them if you got them. We out of there. My name's Car Cheryl. Just letting y'all see what I see. Gotta go. So I replaced the other red car with this red car. I felt it was an upgrade. I had to switch. The other car was going to be costing too much money. So this is what we got now. Look at what I got here. I got me some plates. Who am I registered to? What's that say? 70 Malibu. Okay. So, yeah. Well, too bad the car don't exist no more. That's right, y'all. I tapped out. I traded for a 2014 Charger and some cash. So I felt I don't have the time or the energy to deal with the other car. So I went ahead and made a deal and made it go away. I'm gonna get my own trailer. I gotta get something to replace the other one. This was my man's trailer. It worked pretty good, but I need to get one slightly bigger. But yeah, y'all, I wanted to go to the end, but the people who I was buying the frame from, it was a steal of a deal, but then they backed out the deal, and it set my scenario into a tailspin, and I was just like, man, I'm gonna do something else. I got 3 other cars ahead of this car. Do I really want to continue on this? It can be done. I had already priced it all out. You could buy another body if necessary for $17,000. Just gotta physically go to LA and pick it up. I could have bought all the metal to the car from the front to the back, except for the frame and except the firewall, for $5,000. That's new convertible rack, doors, hood, trunk, front cowl, light trim, floor pans, rocker panels, everything. But I needed the frame. And the people who I was buying the frame from, with all the suspension, they was giving me hell of a deal off a 71 Chevelle convertible. They weren't answering the phone. They finally hit me today, and the car was gone yesterday. I was like, oh well, can't get them all. There's more where they made those at. So if we come across a deal like that again, maybe I'll jump back in. But yes, in the words of Samuel Jackson, if anybody ever saw Jackie Brown, and you know the story when he talked about the surfer girl. Well, if you take the words out of his mouth and rephrase it a different way, he said about the surfer girl, he said, she ain't as good looking as she used to. No disrespect to nobody, but he says, but she is white though. So, that being said, the Chevelle wasn't as good as it used to look, but it's a 70 Chevelle. You get what I'm saying? But hey, I'm not gonna, what the hell is this, making all this noise? Going nowhere fast. But I say all that to say, I came, I saw, I tried, I had it in my possession. On to the next episode. I got 3 Impalas to work on, so we'll focus on those, and we'll do a little something with this. We out. My name's Carl Strayo. I tried.